खबरों की तफसीलात को आगे बढ़ाएं और यहाँ पर आपको एक और अहम खबर से अपडेट कर आपको बताएं। पीटीआई रहनुमा शंदाना गुलजार कहती हैं, कौमी असम्बली में दिन 3 बजे तक हमारे 184 नशिस्तें थीं। केपी में हम 42 सीटों पर कामयाब हुए, लेकिन इलेक्शन कमीशन ने सिर्फ 32 उम्मीदवारों को कामयाब किया। इलेक्शन में 1.25 मिलियन वोट हमें सिर्फ कराची से मिला। कराची में इतनी नशिस्तें होने के बावजूद हमारी कोई कामयाबी नहीं। आज के दादोशमार से हमारी कानूनी टीम को भी काफ़ी मामनत मिलेगी। जैसे ही रात हुई हमारे नताइज को बदल दिया गया।
फर्स्ट स्लाइड आप जरा देखिएगा जी, हमें वी गॉट 1.25 मिलियन वोट्स इन कराची एंड out of the seats we did not win a single seat. 1.25 million votes only in the city of Karachi. Jamaat-e-Islami received 700,000 votes and not a single NA seat in Karachi. Punjab, we got 13.6 million votes and we were given 55 seats. This is a joke with the people of Pakistan. Next slide, please. Have a look. This is the situation of the National Assembly of Pakistan at 3 a.m. PTI had 154 lead. Left slide, again 3 a.m. PTI Independence 154, PMLN 47, People's Party 47, NQM 4, and JUI 4. The countrywide robbery that took place via Form 47, in violation of Article 92 of the Election Act. Just have a look at all the provinces. From Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we were winning 42 seats and the ECB stole ours and gave us 37. From Islamabad, we were winning 3 and all 3 were stolen from us. In Punjab, we were winning 115 and 55 were given to us. These are presents, by the way. In Balochistan, please, previous slide. In Balochistan, we were getting 4 and we only got 1. Just look at the sheer scale of the rigging. I'm just going to go through a few constituencies, so please bear with me. These are worth your time. This is the kind of naked fascism that took place on the 8th of February. It was not PTI's mandate that was stolen. It was the people's mandate that was stolen. They take our money, they take our Ehsaas card, they take our Kisan card. They take everything that belongs to the people of Pakistan and then they steal their votes. This is what they've done to Pakistan in one day.